Dell XPS 15 9570 15.6-inch touchscreen InfinityEdge 4K Ultra HD laptop. Review deal discount unboxing setup. I bought this laptop as an upgrade for an underpowered HP convertible that I used basically for web, email, video streaming. I had hoped, still do, to use this Dell XPS 15 9570 for video processing, but haven't gotten around to doing that in the past couple of months that I've owned this new machine. I enjoy the quality of the screen, but had to do some work around to utilize it with an older, non-subscription, version of Adobe Photoshop, CS6. Not the computer's fault, computer screen ultra high resolution, not supported by older version of Photoshop. One thing that does bug me about this machine is how it wakes up from putting it down. The old HP machine came back to life instantaneously. This thing requires a push and hold for 9 seconds, yep, I counted, then sometimes a repeat. Okay, that's not that big of a thing and I can probably figure out how to streamline, but it's still a thing. Also, Dell pops up windows that says this machine has been updated, but doesn't tell you what it did, what's been updated. It also comes with Win 10 Home version, that I managed to update to Pro by virtue of having a valid licenses to an old copy of Win 7 lying about. Search online if you have the same situation. I don't game, future goal is video rendering, processing, but have stress-tested machine to get the fans going, otherwise it stays quiet. Even with fans flying, it's a quiet machine. So far, machine is overkill for what I've been using it for. The prior HP laptop at 1/4 price was suitable for what I find myself doing. However, this purchase is part of a long-term investment into filmmaking. Pros: Dell XPS 9075 is known for its high specs, quality of manufacturing and mobility. I am civil engineer, which makes me need high-performance laptop. Couldn't think of better than this laptop, which gives you performance, mobility and good shape. Cons: it's coming with Windows 10 Home not Pro and Office is Trail, and I got the 500 GB SSD 4K with 32 GB of RAM. It's very expensive though. It would be nice from buyer to even give any gift with it, like case or bag or anything. Well, awesome performance and 4K screen is incredible. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.